tranquil bees, aren't you, Martin?
Yep, right.
Hit the nail on the head again where they are.
You're very good at it, Andy.
The last repairs.
Don't do it for a professional.
We do it for a living, mate. At least the bees are safe, mate. At least the bees are safe.
I'd just like to say a big thank you to Mansfield Honeybees for taking our bees away and giving them a lovely new home. Thank you.